Hello everybody, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads, and this is called the Magical Mystery Bead Box. So I've already gotten a few of these boxes, and I did make 2 designs with 2 of the boxes, and I posted pictures of the designs on Instagram, and I did not share those pictures anywhere else. I did not show you guys here on YouTube or on Facebook or on Pinterest. You can only see those 2 designs on my Instagram page. So if you haven't seen them, you gotta go check them out because they're really cool and unique, and maybe they'll inspire you to make jewelry, which is what I'm all about. So let's go ahead and open this up. And by the way, I will have links to all my social media down there below the video. And I'm just dying to see what's in here. This is September's box. August box was unbelievable. If you didn't see that video, you can go back through my videos and find previous boxes that I've opened. Oh my gosh. Okay. Into the Woods, September. And on the back of the card here, it tells us everything that's in here. Ooh, awesome charms. That's cute. Recycled glass, handmade bead assortment from Africa. Ooh. A ceramic pendant. I love ceramic. My aunt makes ceramic pendants and beads and plates and dishes, all kinds of things. Oh my gosh, this box is heavy. I knew there was going to be something going on in here, something awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so much green. Okay, I gotta move all this stuff out of the way. I'm going to start with the strand. It's beautiful. There's a Czech bead right there. Rondelles. There's ceramic. Oh, I love that ceramic. This one is stunning. That's gorgeous. It's a beautiful pearl. That one's awesome. I love the bead caps. It's a beautiful strand. So pretty. Okay, what's next? I'm going to go to these owls. There is little stones in here. Oh my gosh. So they have holes in their eyes, so I can glue stones into the eyes, and there's all these different colors to choose from in the bag. So I would open this, but I wouldn't want to lose any of them. And I'm probably going to go for the blue turquoise color because it's my favorite. And here we have a cute little jar. It's taped shut, isn't it? Yep. Okay, so I'll have to open that with my knife, and I'll just get everything out of the box and then we'll go through it. So there's tassels, which I've used these in one of my projects that I did recently with their beads. There's some gemstones. Are those pine cones? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, here's the recycled glass. Those are beautiful. Here are some closures, toggles, bead chain, and what's this? Oh, this is their project. Okay, and there's still more in here. Coupon code, maybe? Yes, coupon. And is that it? Yes, that's everything. Okay, now we're going to go through the bags. And I'm going to have to get my scissors out. Okay, so let's see. I already showed you guys this bead strand. That's incredible. So pretty. And the bags have this weird reflection thing going on with the camera, and it makes the screen look weird. Okay, so this is the project. Happy little trees. Bob Ross. Oh wow, so this is a ceramic pendant that you can paint. And there's a tutorial on how to paint it online. And by the way, you can subscribe to Czech Beads on YouTube. I subscribe to them because I realized that the tutorials for making the projects in this box are on their YouTube channel. And I think it's just Czech Beads on YouTube. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so we could paint this. And that's where this is from. So I'm going to check that tutorial out. And I'll try to paint it. I'm not a very good artist, but I don't think I'm that bad. Alright, let's put that to the side. So let's go to this one here. I think this is the first time I've gotten gemstones from them, and ceramic. These are so cute. I love this color. This leaf is gorgeous. It's patinaed. My favorite color. It's double-sided. That is so pretty. And then there are these beads here. Gemstones. And it probably tells you on the card what they are. And they do have large holes, by the way. You can put 1mm core to those. And here are the awesome, they're so cute, pine cones. They're really detailed. Okay, I really want to open this, but I'm afraid I'm going to dump those little crystals out. I wonder if I can open it without dumping the crystals. Let's see. Okay, don't lose any crystals. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love that. And I gotta tell you guys, I really do like being subscribed to these box subscriptions because I feel like they challenge me. Like, I've been beading for years, but there's some things that I haven't really ventured into, and with these monthly subscriptions that I've been getting, I feel like I've been more challenged to do things that I don't normally do. One of those things is mixing metal colors, which I've never really been big on, but with this Jesse James box, I love how they mix colors together. Like, for example, in this here, they're mixing gold with copper, and it's just so beautiful. And it's like, why have I all this time not mixed metals together? You know, it's just really pretty. And there's also silver in here. So let's open this jar. Okay, I got it open. There are these beautiful leaves in here. I just can't get this tape off my finger. There it goes. Okay. I love these leaves. I actually own this plant in my yard, believe it or not. I don't even know what it's called, but it's really cool. Is it a cheese plant? I think there's two different ones. There's one that's kind of like a vine. I've had that in a hanging basket. And there's another one like this, but it's bigger. And it's not a vine. It's a very big plant that grows on the ground. It doesn't. It's not a vine. It's, I don't know. I don't know what it's called. This is pretty color. Love that green. And here are some Czech beads. This is really pretty. I don't know what this is called, but I do have this color, but mine is a rectangle shaped bead in green. I do want to know what that's called though. I always kind of thought it to be as a vintage bead because I didn't see it very often. Here's another one. And this one in my hands is Czech. This one's Czech. These are table cut. And I was asked on one of my videos, how do I know what a table cut bead is? Table cut beads, they start out as one shape and then they cut them with a machine. I guess I'm assuming it's a table cutting machine. And they cut the side of the bead off and then they call it a table cut bead. And they come in all different shapes and sizes. A lot of cathedral beads are cut like that. Here are some round beads. Those are pretty. These are all glass, it looks like. Oh, and metal. There's a bead cap. That's very fancy. Bali-like. Here's some more rounds. Rondelles. There's a bunch of Czech in here. This is a Czech bead. Don't know what the shape is. Never seen it before. It's gorgeous. I've really been into using like earthy tones lately. If you saw my last bracelet, the Arabian Nights bracelet I did, I had a lot of earth tones. In that mix that I did. That's another Czech rectangle. It's matte. Here's more Czech. Wow, there's a lot of Czech in here. Should I just dump this into my hand? And I have noticed, by the way, that they do count their beads. They don't just like mix a whole bunch of beads together. They actually count the beads. Like, you'll have 4 of one kind of bead, which is nice because sometimes when I make a design, if I have like one of one bead, it makes it more challenging to make something. So let's see. So yeah, there's 4 of those. See what I mean? They actually count them for you. There's 4 of those. 4 of those. This is beautiful. Olivine. So it looks like there's 6 of these. And there's 4 bead caps. Which these are great for using with these here. I'm sure they planned that out for us. Beautiful. So then there's 4 of those. There's these little pyramid beads here. This is such a unique shape. I've never used those before. There's 4 of those. Ooh, I love this one. This bead's two-tone. Look at that. It's blue and yellow. That's pretty. These are all Czech. There's a lot of Czech beads in here. And I just spent all this time sorting the beads out, and I'm going to have to mix them all back together because I have to put them into the pot. Okay, what's this? You know, I think I'll do this one last because those are tiny. Yeah, I'm going to do this one next. Recycled glass. These are so pretty. I would like to see how they make these. So cool. So as many of you know, I do live in Florida, and I'm like 5 miles away from the ocean, and every time I go out in the boat, I'm always looking for sea glass, and I find sea glass very often. I do, but I never find it smooth and tumbled. It's always sharp. Sometimes I find it where it is this like matte color where the sand has, you know, etched the glass, but I've never been able to find a like rounded, smooth piece of sea glass. It bums me out because I'm always on the hunt for it, but yeah, that's very pretty. Okay, what's next? Let's look at the chain. And I have used this chain. Every time they send this box out, it seems like they send this chain, different colors, different kinds of chain. And I've used it twice already. And it's really good quality. Super pretty. I love the bronze. And I think they're always 18-inch chains, right? Which is awesome, yes. I love that they're 18 inches. A lot of the times when you go buy chains like this, it'll be 12 inches, which is ridiculous. They should at least sell an 18-inch. Everybody should do it. Here are toggles. Silver and antique brass in here. Pretty, pretty. Love them. And here are some tassels. Oh, look at those. Those have to be earrings, right? I wonder if I could put these long tassels with those big leaves. Those leaves there? Those are so cute. So these here I got was in the first subscription, and I love them so much. The little flower tassels, they're so cute. And I've used them in the 2 projects that I made too. Okay, so there's the tassels. And is that the last thing I have to open? This is the project. That's the owls. I already opened that. It's that bag right here. This is the last thing I have to open. So in here, this is Woodland, Swarovski. This side's here, Swarovski, and then we have this really neat mix. Look at the stuff in here. Oh, I love those beads. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. There's little pink paper pieces all over this. That's really pretty. I'm gonna zoom in because I don't want to pick them up and lose them. I love that green. It's peridot. So pretty. Okay, and then I have this one here. I'll zoom in again. These are adorable. I love these so much. Look at that. Zoom in, camera. Come on, focus. You can do it. There it goes. Those are really pretty. Check. These right here. These little square beads. There's teal. Oh, I love the teal. I love this blue too. Are those hematite? There's a lot of different stuff in here. There's bead caps. There's Czech fire polish beads. Look at this swirly one. That's cute. The dog wants out. Rondelles. Really nice mixture. I'm excited to play with this. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be putting a link for the Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box down there below the video so you guys can go and check it out for yourself. And I will be making a design with this box, and I will post a picture of the design on my Instagram page, so go and follow me. And if you make jewelry and you post pictures of your jewelry on Instagram, follow me, let me know, and I'll go and I'll check your pictures out. I love to see what you guys make, and I also love seeing your bead hauls. Nobody ever shows me their bead hauls, and I'm always wanting to see what everybody else buys. So that's some things I just wanted to tell you guys, and this is it. I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos, and check me out on all my social media sites. Like I said, I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.